fourth video of the second section of the flow form. So with this one we'll learn 11, 12 and 13 positions. These will be new positions for you. So we'll start where we left off. Cross hands position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the sweep, 9, Taiji ball, 10, single whip, the diagonal single whip, so we're at the corner. Now the first position here, going straight back with the right leg, hands flattening, 11. Yeah, quite an easy one. We move away, we're moving away from the left hand, and then both hands will flatten. So just flatten out, stepping straight back so we still face the corner. It's quite simple, 11. This whole movement is called fairy flaps sleeves. So the fairy flaps the sleeves. So if you can imagine the pictures of fairies with the long tunics and their sleeves are very long, well, this is what you're doing. You're waving the sleeves around. 11, straight back from the corner. Yeah, so you're still facing the corner. Now 12. Left leg will go to the side wall. So left leg goes to the side wall. We step toward the side wall, so we're not just stepping straight in. We step toward, left hand comes down, right hand follows. Left hand will come down to the quad. We completely face the side wall, and the right hand will be slightly out. If I do it facing this corner, so 10, 11, 12. So here I'm facing the side wall. This hand is slightly out, so it's not all the way in, you're not closing out, it's slightly out, just a little bit, yeah? So from the elbow, the wrist is a little bit out, not too much, yeah? Now watch how the arms come into the position. One, you move away from them, so your base moves away from your body, yeah? But you're still connected. So the base is moving through the body, then toward the fingertips. But you're still connected, like the 10th classic of the San-Feng, the 10th paragraph says, the whole body is connected, joint by joint, like string. Okay, so it's still connected. Do not allow the slightest disruption. Do not allow the slightest disruption. So if I start pulling back like this, I'm not really connected. I'm connected in a hard way. Okay, there's no fluidity in it, no stretching, no opening. Okay, so 11, 12. Yeah, so from the 11, watch how the left hand comes down. It will spiral around the central axis of the arm. The central axis of the arm runs from the middle finger through the center line of the arm. You have the central axis, like we spoke about earlier, running from the crown of the head, down through the center line of the body, down through the perineum between the legs. This is your main central axis. And then you have the 4 periphery central axes. So 2 on the arm that run from the center, the middle finger, and then through the legs, right through to the legs. Okay. So you've got these 4 periphery axes as well. And when we're rotating the arms, you want to be spiraling around them. So this feels like there's a turning sensation around, but it's not a collapsing sensation. You're spiraling around it. Yeah. All spiraling movements create flexibility in the joints because the ligaments and tendons get stretched. This is what we want. Yeah, when my hand is like that and I rotate my wrist this way, I should have a feeling that the elbow is going the opposite way. This increases the distance from this joint to this joint, and vice versa. If I come this way, this is now connecting from here over to here. This helps open the body, open the ligaments, open the tendons. And that's what we're doing a little bit with this movement. 11, 12. Left hand rotates in. Okay. Then 13. 11, 12. Now 13, we're going to step with the right leg back to the corner. So we step with the right leg, straight in. Quite an easy one. Yeah, the left hand doesn't do any movement. It's just straight back to the corner. But watch the right hand. Watch what the right hand does. 11, 12, 13. So what the right hand is doing is it's pushing out a little bit, but not with the wrist, with the elbow. Okay, so it's still like a ball-like space between your body. If I didn't push it out, it would look something like that. Okay, that's when the arm is a little bit static. I will show you the other way. And if I do it pushing out with both, it ends up like that, when my shoulder comes out. So it's still got to begin. If I do it from this way, 11, 12. Now watch the elbow point. 13. Yeah? So it creates that type of movement. You're sort of pivoting in away from the wrist. Boom. This will set us up for the 14th movement. I'll do it once more. 11, 12, 13. Okay. I will go from the start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. New movement. 11, 12, 13. That's the end of the 4th lesson.